What's up, guys? It's Josh and Aaron from Blackout Tinting. We're going to show you what's in the shop on Wednesday. So we'll start with Aaron. What are you doing?
Trunk ledge.
Trunk ledge. So we're installing paint protection film on the trunk ledge so that when you're loading things into the trunk, you don't get all of those scratches all over the bumper like you see on pretty much every car that exists. So that's quick and easy. Over here we've got two bikes, well, one trike and one bike. This one got paint protection film and a ceramic coating previously and is back for its yearly inspection. And this one is a really wild looking road glide. This is red carbon fiber weave. It is real carbon with some crazy custom paint job. Pretty much everything on this thing is aftermarket. The wheels are carbon fiber, every fairing. It's really cool. So it's here for paint protection film. Apparently it's also for sale. On the lift we've got a Mazda MX-5 Miata. So this one's getting paint protection film as well. You can see the edges are drying on the fender. We're going to be wrapping that. The hood's already done, so all we've got left is this front bumper. And we have a C8. This one is Zeus Bronze. And we did a full XPEL paint protection film wrap on this one. We tinted the windows, including the rear cockpit window. This is a convertible, so you don't have the glass on top of the engine, but we normally don't tint those anyhow. We're installing Clearplex on the windshield of this also to stop the windshield from getting beat up and hopefully save it from some large rock chips as well. And in the wash bay, we've got a Toyota Tundra. This vehicle was previously ceramic coated. It's back for, I guess, just a checkup, and something happened with some of the panels. It was at a body shop, so we're going over the truck and recoating some panels that need it. Luke's been working on gun bash stuff all week. Almost done?
Yep, 7 left.
7 left. So if you haven't already got tickets to Blackout Bash, check out blackoutbash.org. We're giving away 100 grand in guns. It's happening this Saturday, finally. Brandon and Terrell are working on a Dodge Dart, tinting the windows on this. They've got a packed schedule all day today. Outside, we've got a Honda CR-V. This one got window tint installed. Next to a really cool AMG. This is an SL65. So if you're not familiar with what that is, it's a very small car, two-seater with a V12 twin turbo. This thing makes more torque than my Hellcat in a really, really small car. So I'm sure that thing's a blast to drive. We did paint protection film on the front end of it. We also washed and clay barred the car to remove tiny overspray dots all over it. And now we're gonna do a paint correction on the rest of the car so that it looks like a mirror. This Ram Rebel got a remote start system installed. So that uses the factory key. You press the lock button 3 times and it will start the truck. And this Toyota 4Runner is also here for a remote start system. Same deal, press the lock button on the factory key. That one's straight from the dealership. This Super Duty is here for an annual checkup. So we're gonna do a full exterior detail basically and make sure that the ceramic coating is performing the way it's supposed to and make sure that the owner is taking care of it correctly. We've got the Stealth Tesla here. This is my wife's car. And a GMC Denali 2500. This one is an awesome truck, very cool project. We're doing a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap on this. That's the thicker material. That's what I have on my GT4. And it's about half done right now. We're doing that plus a ceramic coating on the entire truck. So big project. We've got these aftermarket fender flares. These all have to be hand cut. And same with actually a lot of the truck. The bed sides and the doors have to be hand cut as well. Up here we've got a Mitsubishi Outlander. This one got some window tint installed this morning. So up front we've got the Hellcat, fresh back from the shop. This one got a new supercharger installed. The factory one went bad. There was a bearing problem, I guess. Still covered under warranty, so that was good. It runs great again. And last but not least, the Rapid Blue C8. This is the, I think, 3rd C8 of the week. And this one got full front end protection with XPEL paint protection film. That's it for what's going on in the shop this week. Guys, if you enjoy seeing what's happening here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next Wednesday.